cricket, and what we have learned from sources is that fast bowler Harshit Rana, in fact, has been ruled out of the T20 World Cup because of an injury. This is what we have learned from sources, and sources are also telling our channel that Mohammad Siraj is likely to replace Harshit Rana, and Harshit is reportedly experiencing some injury, some joint tenderness, and hence he's going to be ruled out of the T20 World Cup. And official announcement on this is expected very soon. Let's go across to my colleague Karishma joining us live right now for more on this. Karishma, it's a big news ahead of the T20 World Cup. How big is it a setback for the team?
Well, Hina, of course, this is a huge setback because on the eve of the opening match of the T20 World Cup, you do not want your fast bowler to be ruled out of the World Cup. So, of course, it is a huge setback. He suffered that injury during the warm-up match versus South Africa. But now what we're given to understand is that Mohammad Siraj is all set to replace Harshit Rana, and Mohammad Siraj was there in the T20 World Cup, which India won in 2024. So obviously he is a good choice. He will be a good replacement, but let's not forget that Harshit Rana came in as an all-rounder, and whenever needed, he could chip in with those very important 30-40 runs. But Suryakumar Yadav also saying in the pre-match conference today that it's not about just wanting an all-rounder who can give us runs when we are 7 down or 8 down, because if we are expecting someone to score in that position, then what are our top 8 doing? So that was also an important statement coming in from Suryakumar Yadav. And now, of course, unfortunate Harshit Rana would also be feeling bad to miss out on a T20 World Cup. But it is going to be Mohammad Siraj that is going to replace him. And Indian team very confident that they have all the permutations and combinations in place to start this World Cup on a positive note.
All right. Thank you, Karishma, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this particular story. Let's also listen in to this reaction we got from Suryakumar Yadav.
Hi, Surya, any update on Harshit Rana? Has he been ruled out or is he still there?
अभी तक रूल आउट नहीं हुआ है, बट वार्म अप गेम के बाद ही वाजंट लुकिंग गुड. फिजियोज असेस कर रहे हैं, बट आई थिंक आज तो पता चल ही जाएगा कि क्या हो रहा है. बट ही डजंट लुक गुड. चिंता मत करो, 11 है हमारे पास कल के लिए. हमारे पास इनफ प्लेयर्स है, इनफ कॉम्बिनेशंस है सब टीम्स के अगेंस्ट में जो हम बना सके ये टूर्नामेंट के लिए. बट इफ वी मिस हिम, वी विल डेफिनेटली miss him.
If eventually he is ruled out, that would be unfortunate. But who are the replacement options?
देखेंगे अभी किसको लेना है, but we do have a few options, but we'll pick the best one.
The T20 World Cup is upon us. We are here at the iconic Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, where India is all set to take on USA on the 7th of February in their opening encounter of the T20 World Cup. And right behind me is where the Indian team is practicing. All top players, of course, in attendance for this practice session. You can see Arshdeep Singh. In fact, Suryakumar Yadav, who did the pre-match conference, was very confident about India's chances. He said that there are 20 teams. I do not take any team lightly. No team is weak for me, but showed confidence in the way the Indian team has been playing. In fact, they come into this World Cup after a series win versus New Zealand. So that, of course, will be very important for the Indian team to carry on that particular momentum for themselves. And like you can see, these are sixes flowing out of the practice area right now. So very good expectations from the Indian team. And Suryakumar Yadav also interestingly saying that don't call me a captain, call me a leader, because sometimes captaincy brings complacency, and we do not want to be complacent. So that was a very strong statement that came in from the leader, Suryakumar Yadav. But there is a bit of a setback as well for the Indian team, because Harshit Rana will not be able to take part in this World Cup. He has suffered an injury during the warm-up match versus South Africa, and now that has ruled him out of the World Cup.
And with this, we will slip into a very short break. We'll be back with more. Stay with us.